everyone, my name is Nikki from Bloomden. And now we are in Shanghai for DenTech 25th exhibition fair. This is our booth. Our Bloomden booth number is 1A92. And now for me, I will introduce all of our products. So many customers. As you know, our Bloomden manufactures CEDC and material for 10 years, and our main product is zirconia disc. Now we have 3 types. First one is the white. We have 4 models. The one is SHT, ST, ST Plus, UT. Different strengths and translucent. The second is the pre-shaded. We have 3 models. The first one is ST. Second is ST Plus. The third one is UT. And the most famous is the multi-layer. We have 4 models. ST, ST Plus, UT, and 3D Pro. 3D Pro is our newest technology multi-layer one, and is the best seller by now. We'd like to introduce the top sale multi-layer zirconia disc. That is 3D Pro. Why it's so famous? Because it is the most close to our natural taste. It has grandeur, the translucent and strength. It has 5-layer powder, and it has widely usage. As you can see, it can do crown and 3-unit bridge, and this one full arch. On the line you can see the essential translucent. Is it beautiful? Yes, I think so. Okay, let's move. This exhibition, we take 2 equipment from our Bloomden. The first one is fast sintering fitness. We can do the sintering in here. For 1 crown, it needs about 1 hour. For 3 units, it needs about 3 hours. The second is our porcelain equipment. And here we had doing this 2 process already. So if you have chance, welcome to our exhibition fair and have a cup of tea. Have nice. Goodbye.